Shell from India Unbox, and I have with me someone who's got some very interesting products. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Suleiman and I speak for Paras Enterprises. And Paras Enterprises is manufacturer of wooden items from past 35 years. And we particularly work in three categories. One is home decor, one is hardware, and then we have wooden toys.
The
These
wooden
three
toys.
categories we work in.
Okay, these toys are very interesting. So, is it all pure wood, like
Yeah, everything
ply
is made out of solid wood.
Okay, not ply or anything,
No,
right?
no, no. Sometimes we use ply, but most of the thing is a solid wood.
Okay, okay. Nice. And how did you get this idea to start this?
I am the third generation from my family who is doing this business, so this is our family business.
And where did you say you're from?
I'm Najibabad.
Najibabad. Okay. So tell me about these products, the home decor products, the kitchen products.
Most of these chopping boards are made out of acacia, which is in India we call kikar or baboor, and this is one of the best wood to make chopping boards. And then we have this cake stand. Cake stand is made out of mango wood, which is sustainably procured from Indian forests. And then we have these bowls, mostly used for showpiece and then for dry fruits or
Yeah,
fruits.
yeah. Okay, okay. So what is the starting range of your product?
A starting range, if we talk about toys, then we have these cars. The set of this car is around 400 rupees for 6 cars in retail. And then we have these rainbow, we have bigger toys also. It goes up to 5,000, 20,000. We have jungle gym.
Sure, sure.
And for chopping board, it starts from 100 rupees and goes to 900 rupees for the end range.
So if anyone wants to order internationally from you, are you there on Instagram, social
Yeah, we are
media?
available on Instagram and we are also available on Amazon.com, Amazon.in, Amazon.de.
As what? What is the name?
Natural Toys and Lakdi Baz. We have two brands.
Okay, okay. And so if anyone wants to order internationally, what is the minimum amount or quantity that they need to order?
If the buyer is bulk, then depends on the buyer because he will be paying for the transport.
Yeah.
So we'll give the ex-factory price and rest will be the transport.
Okay,
So
alright.
customer can calculate themselves. And if they want to order one piece, they can maybe order from Amazon.com and from our website.
So these are all sustainable products, right?
Yeah, all sustainable, eco-friendly and procured from sustainable forest
And where is the manufacturing done?
in Najibabad itself.
And how long does it take to make one, like a kitchen item, like for example those bowls on top, how long does it take to make one of
If
them?
we particularly talk about these bowls, then the larger one we can make, one artisan can make only 20 in a day.
20 in a day. Okay. Alright. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for talking to us today.